Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly use the Siri mode in iPhone camera running iOS 27 or later. The camera app in iOS 27 introduces an all-new Siri mode that turns your iPhone camera into a pretty helpful visual assistant. Instead of simply taking photos or recording videos, Siri mode uses visual intelligence to recognize what is in front of the camera and provide useful information about it. You can use it to identify plants, animals, food, objects, and much more. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the camera app on your iPhone. Now you have to swipe through the available camera modes until you find Siri, then select it. Then you have to point the camera at the object, item, or scene you want Siri to analyze and make sure it is clearly visible within the frame. Siri will use visual intelligence to understand what the camera is seeing and provide relevant information. For example, point your iPhone at a plant to learn what type it is, or aim it at an animal to find out more about it. If you point the camera at food, Siri can identify the dish and may also provide information such as its estimated calorie content. Even better, Siri mode can also perform useful actions beyond object recognition. You can photograph and even fly and have Siri identify the date and help add the event to your calendar. It can also translate visual text, provide information about products or objects, and even help with tasks such as splitting a bill. Overall, Siri mode makes the iPhone camera more than a photography tool. It combines the camera, visual intelligence, and Siri to help you understand and interact with the world around you. And that's all there is to it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool Siri mode, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.